If you're a plant lover like me, then you probably know the problem of gnats and flies. And that's why I'm thankful for Trappify for sending me these gnat traps to give them a try and see how well they work. So let's try them together. So when you open it up, just be a little bit careful because there's no paper protecting the sticky side. They're just all stuck together, so you're gonna have to peel it off like this. Now I'm gonna plant these around in different places around my house, like in the plants, and I'm gonna hang some as well where I know we have just some gnats flying around. So you can take one of these little wires and bend it into an S shape, and depending on what you're hanging it on, you can adjust the size of your little hook, which is so convenient. So let's go put these in the plants. And then we're just gonna come back honestly in a short amount of time to see how fast it starts working or doesn't work. We'll see. And we'll put one here. I'm gonna go ahead and put a few here because like I said, I do kind of have a small problem with gnats right now. Just comes with having plants, just the time of year and the area that we're in. Okay, and then I'm gonna hang one here. I know it's not the most hidden place to put one, but I'm trying to get rid of these gnats. So I actually forgot about these and I left them overnight, which is great because look how many bugs they ended up catching. These work really well, guys. You can tell that the bugs were kind of crawling up from the dirt and then just got stuck right in there. And of course, it caught some that were flying as well. Yeah, I really like these a lot. Let's go check the one in the kitchen. So it looks like we caught a couple in the kitchen. Not as many as on the plants, but I don't have as many flying around here as I do around my plants. So I am satisfied with this. These are just very sticky, very good quality. I love that you can hang them if you want, or you can stick them right into your plant. They're just super easy to use, and obviously they do work. So I do highly recommend them.